Un dernier yon, je glisse gentiment.
Alright, so ReSiient Sounds Gold 15. Of course, it is blown. I mean, this thing, it went nasty too. Just from looking at it, how deformed the voice coil is here. So, all I did to catch y'all up, razor blade the outside, razor blade to the inside. Yeah, I said razor bladed it. I know I did. So, that's not proper English. I understand all you English professors watching. But let's go on and get this out of here. I'm trying my best to get it so that it's not tangled. So that it's, oh, look at that. Man, that's burnt up, ain't it? Let's get y'all a better look. There you go. Let's see what else can we dig up out of here. I'm just hoping that I can get it up out of here without, you know. Oh, yep, we got another chunk. Sometimes they like to get stuck, and oh my God, you're talking about a pain. All right, so I kind of got, I gotta keep doing what I'm doing. Yep. So, to be continued. Yep. I gotta tape that up too. Definitely gonna masking tape the whole inside right here. Once I clean it out, I'm gonna blow it out real quick. So before I even start breaking this part right here, the spider landing free. Spider ring. Oops, I'm sorry, y'all. Let's bring this back over. There we go. I'm hoping everybody's having a nice week. Or had a nice week, depending on whenever I post this video. And I apologize, I've been kind of MIA because, you know, just I had my birthday just passed. And went out of town. Went to Vegas just to get away from the norm. And it seems like everything just kind of got redundant, y'all. Like, you know, working 10, 12 hours, get off, you know, try to, you know, do things for my business, just try to build it up, just trying to basically just progress, you know, staying consistent, staying persistent, not giving up, of course, naturally. And, you know, keeping my footage. I have plenty of bass footage in my vault, so don't think because I haven't been posting, I ain't got footage, or I'm hating on my builds, you know, not hating on my builds, but hating on my friends' builds. Nothing like that. Just haven't had time, and believe me, I cannot wait to get to editing and posting. You know, wintertime is always slow, pretty much for the world, so definitely gonna have more free time coming up, hopefully. Alright, so the trick with the ReSiient Sounds Gold, or just this particular basket, is a pair of vice grips. Just want to wedge it in there and break it back. That's all I'm doing. Oops. And pretty soon, this baby just rip up on this. Take a little effort, but that's what it's all about. Anything in life, you got to give it effort. So that's all I'm doing now is just ripping it up. Now, all I'm gonna do is clean this down. I'm gonna scrape the paint free. Basically, I want to get past that paint, just so that I can cut some grooves into the metal so that my epoxy will adhere better. Same here. I'm about to rip this off. Use my razor blade to get it started. Clean all the way around. And then finish it off with the grinder wheel. Not even a grinder wheel. I'm gonna use the Dremel with the grinder wheel attachment. Not an actual grinder, angle grinder. Well, I guess I could do it, but you know, we'll keep it simple. So this is pretty much what I was talking about with the razor blade. You just start your razor blade in at an angle, and you're working it in. Oh yeah, excuse my hand, man. Let me, shit. I know y'all gonna say something. Somebody in the comments gonna be like, hey, what's wrong with your hand? Well, long story. It happened at the airport. I should have sued. but I can't. It just won't be right, so. Oh, man. Well, looks like they use drywall screws. Look at this, y'all. Whoever installed this, shouts out to whoever installed this speaker. Oh my God. Shouts out to me for having the proper tools, right? Yeah. Yep. Proper tools for the job, y'all. These garden shears. Move some screws. Look at this. For real. So this is what we install our subwoofer with. That right there. Go and buy some wood screws. Go and buy some deck screws. Go and buy some red heads. Buy some real screws. Buy some spacks. Come on, man. These are speakers. I don't see any paint. Now I want to clean that gap out as much as I can. Excuse me, I'm talking through the mask. I'm gonna go down and blow this stuff off, blow myself off. I got a little aluminum on me. Yes, this basket is aluminum, in case anybody's wondering. And keep this party going. So this is where we at. Landing clean. Gasket area clean. Ready to get the Recone. But before we do that, I'm wiping this down with alcohol. I'm hoping that the Recone, I ain't even check. I think the Recone just lead it off onto these, so I gotta probably reuse these or go and buy some new ring terminals just to slap on there. And solder that stuff together. And that's pretty much it. It's downhill from here. Hardest part was, you know, cleaning and breaking apart all of the old stuff. That ring, it's not really necessary because naturally I broke it off. Couldn't spare it. I tried my best. Very, very nice spider pack here. I believe it's the 9 1/4. I think it's 4 layer. Might be 3. I want to say 4 layer. Maybe more. I think it's 4 though. I think